Hey plant gang, I want to tell you about the plant that's right in front of me, this beautiful purple flowering plant, Scutellaria incana, the hoary skullcap. This is a native plant to Tennessee, in fact, quite native to a variety of places in eastern North America. But let's learn how to identify it. We've got these beautiful flowers. Here we are in September, and you can see by the seed heads that are on here, and we've got seeds starting to form. This really has bloomed for a long time this year. And so you get a long lasting flower power out of this plant. It really can be found along stream banks, in open woodlands. But here we actually have it we're on a vegetated roof right now, out in full sun, with just a little bit of irrigation, not a whole lot, but it's done quite well. That word scutellaria, it's a word that means open dish or dish, which kind of, if you look closely at the bloom, you see a little bit of that kind of dish-likeness. The leaves are long and linear, quite venated. But one of the big ID characteristics is we start to feel the stem. And we see that it's got that lamaceae, very kind of easily identifiable stem. And so as I feel that, you can feel the stem. The beautiful nature of this plant is the purple blooms, its upright habit. It's something that you can add to a perennial border. As I sit here, even kind of amongst it, I see bumblebees hitting it, all sorts of different pollinators going to town using this plant for a nectar source. So quite beautiful, upright, in the range of 36 inches tall, 30 foot tall, but doesn't tend to flop. It likes to be around other plants. It kind of holds it up just a little bit, but it's not overly floppy, in particular if it doesn't get too much moisture. So a great plant to know, Scutellaria incana, the hoary skullcap, a great native plant to know. In particular, if you're into prairie garden, native plant gardening, just one that we're learning in Plant ID, and one that we should be incorporating into the landscape. Scutellaria incana, the hoary skullcap. Here's a landscape tip. Great native plant that does well in drier sites and is deer and rabbit resistant due to its bitter tasting leaves.